Thank you very much again. So maybe you can tell me something about the initial situation and also about the project you did when working with RFM 6.
We worked with RFM 6 because it's a real complete and comprehensive structural software, FEA software, and RFM has also very good support. There is plenty of good tutorials online, and we could also arrange meeting with your experts. We had recently a meeting with your experts about our recent project in Moritzplatz. It was very interesting for us, and we get a very good information about our modeling and all the information that we need. And and the best thing that I could mention about RFM for us was that the exchanging the data from Rhino, Grasshopper to RFM with having your plugin, and there's also some other plugins available. So for us it's a very good advantage. So we can exchange data from our modeling environment to our structural analysis.
Okay, perfect, great. Maybe you can tell me also something about the project where you used RFM 6.
Yeah, we have different projects. We used RFM 6. Initially we designed some plate-based shells that was constructed with recycled CLT pieces, and also recently we use RFM 6 for our beam-based version of the shell, which we had more complicated design in terms of modeling. We have different nodes. We have reciprocal nodes where beams were connected not to the end of each other, but in some places they were connected in the middle of each other. So there were some parameters that could help us for modeling, like the nodal release, which was suggested with your colleagues. And everything was fine.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much for that answer. You've also mentioned that you have also the RFM 5, so the older version, and also RFM 6. What was your motivation to use now the newer version, so RFM 6, for your future projects?
Yeah, the main feature that RFM 6 had for us was the more comprehensive and more set of tools in Grasshopper, that we could do much more modeling through Grasshopper and prepare the model fully in Grasshopper and then convert it directly to RFM. This was the main reason that we use RFM 6, because our modeling procedure is all done in Grasshopper visual programming, and then converting this data to RFM was very important, and RFM 6 provides more tools for that.
Okay, great, nice. So, and you've also already mentioned also the support and the service with Global. So how would you say, how did help you the company Global Software with your project and also with the software?
Yeah, it was interesting for us because there was an issue for version exchanging. Some companies has an older version, but then when we ask for example, license for RFM 5, then it was a very good support. We get it quickly, and we could handle everything. And also technical issues was really resolved and supported by the Global team. And we had online meetings with your experts to adjust the model, to find suitable parameters and settings for the model. And it was a very good support from the Global. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for this short interview, and wishing you also great success for the future, also with RFM 6. And again, thank you very much.
Thank you for taking the time. Thank you too.